Coming up on Halloween. Anybody have any ghost stories to tell? Ladies?
You got a sexy ghost story?
Nobody knows any ghost stories.
The only ghost story I know is the who got my golden arm or who.
Oh yeah, I remember that from Andy Griffith.
See, I don't even remember it.
Who's got the golden arm? I know I don't have any ghost stories to tell, but I do have a strange dream I've been having recently, a lot of times.
What kind of dream you been having?
Well, it always starts out the same way. It's me and you, and we're riding down the road. You know, it honestly kind of looks like that house you shot your music video in, man.
Whew, she's seen better days.
That's a real piece of work. Man, you can tell ain't nobody been in this place in a while.
No, it's falling apart, man.
Windows all out and everything.
Door's not even closed. This is it. This brings back some memories.
Yeah.
Forgot something in the truck.
Okay.
I gotta get my buds.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna look around. I'm gonna check it out, dude.
Check it out, man. It was a cool old house.
Man, this place is a dump. Hello. Make sure nobody's here. What the fuck? Somebody's van out here. Where's Breadstick at? Breadstick. Breadstick! Breadstick! Ninja! What the? Breadstick?
Hey, Kim G.
What's going on, man?
Did some good work here, bro.
What do you mean you did some good work? Is this like a prank? Are you punking me?
That's my brother, Ken G. Told you we grew up here together.
So, what's going on, man?
Sorry, Ken G. Tired of co-hosting.
What do you mean you're tired of co-hosting? No! Oh my God, you killed Kenny. And then that's where I wake up every single time. You kill me because you don't want to co-host the show anymore. And that's my dream. That's what happens every time.
That's a pretty crazy dream.
Yeah, it is crazy.
I ain't got any crazy ghost stories, but I do have a crazy dream.
Okay.
This is what happens.
Man, what are you doing? You're about to take it to the next level. Like, you started out just wanting to do a YouTube show, a how-to show on how to do things, and now you're about to just ratchet it up a notch. I mean, you're taking it over the line. Like, once you do this, you're not gonna be able to come back.
Kenny G.
Forgot to cut a hole. Morning, Breadstick.
Morning, bro. Am I naked?
Just your shirt. I didn't want to take your pants off.
So I don't like to label people, but that would be questionable.
I guess you were probably picturing a different scenario, weren't you?
Well, I thought maybe you was repainting the Kenny Cove 2.0, but it's gonna be awful hard to get your rollers in here with as tight as this plastic is.
Yeah, I took a little something from you to remember you by. Can you hear me? Can you hear me over here?
Is that why my sock hat feels so loose?
Could be. I mean, it took some doing. I might have taken one of your digits, too.
Is that the middle one?
I think so.
That's my favorite one, Kenny G. Now, how the hell am I going to express my displeasure to Chip? You know, Chip's working today. He's going to be in probably any minute, Kenny G.
Chip is the reason for this.
Oh, that doesn't surprise me.
You and him have been trying to take over my show since the start.
Me and Chip?
You and Chip.
Dude, Chip's useless. He can't even get live pinless.
I know, but look at you now. You're on my table, wrapped in plastic.
But isn't this the table we cut pumpkins on last week?
This is the table we cut pumpkins on last week.
I thought it felt a little slimy.
Now we're cutting chumpkins.
Oh, I don't think we should do that.
Actually, it's not even we. It's me.
It's just you now?
It's just me.
The show's already called What Can You Do?
I've taken the liberty to help myself to a little of your blood. Something to remember you by.
What are you going to do with that?
Probably just going to put it around a plant or something.
Oh, that'll be nice. Like one around the house?
Like a little decoration.
I've always been partial to bonsai trees myself.
I don't know how we found ourselves here, but at last we do.
Well, I'm suspecting it was that really funny tasting Budweiser you gave me yesterday.
I know you're trying to take over my show, and so this is what I have to do.
You could just fire me. I was thinking more along the lines of something with a good severance package.
No, I'm sorry, bro. It was a good run. I kind of hate to lose you. You're Breadstick Ninja. I mean, people were starting to become fond of you. Now you're just going to probably be a memorial site on the internet.
Oh, Kenny G.
Something people can make donations to.
I mean, let's just think about it for a second. What's it going to be? What can you do with Chip?
No, Chip's probably going to suffer the same fate as you, just not today.
You didn't even take him out first?
No, I've got something planned entirely different for Chip.
Well, I'm glad to hear that.
This is the only way I see fit to say bye to you.
So what we're saying is it's like the top class way to go.
This is the top class way. When you wake up on Kenny G's table wrapped in plastic next to your ear and your finger, you know you're special, bro.
Well, at least I'll be going out in a more classy way than Chip.
Yeah.
That's something.
So I guess really all I want to know is, do you have any last words before I send you home?
Could I get a going away Budweiser?
No. I actually already drank it. I had to get a little tipsy to do this. I had to get very tipsy to do this, dude. I have never killed a breadstick before.
It's ironic you're using the bread knife from the break room.
I know, it is pretty ironic, ain't it?
Yeah.
I wish you luck in your next life. R.I.P. Breadstick.
And that's why I wake up. I mean, you just cut me up butt naked. Man, this is a nice fire we got going on, Ken G.
Yeah, it feels good.
It's a good night to be out having a fire, having some beers.
With our ladies.
With our ladies.
Yeah, not lost in the woods with you.
No, we don't want to be lost in the woods. Here you go. Hey!
Thanks, baby.
Hey, look at that. Already open, just like it should be.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, what do we call that?
Personal lubrication. I got something else I was going to tell you, Kenny G.
What's up?
I was going to tell you. Kenny G, wake up. We're chained to toilets, bro. This is a pretty disgusting.
We are chained to toilets.
And they're pretty disgusting toilets, too.
What happened?
I don't know, man.
I thought we were camping.
We were camping.
The last thing I remember was drinking beers.
Well, Let me tell you, this is the worst campground bathroom I ever seen. If you think I won't write a complaint to the DNR, I'll definitely do it.
Wait! I think I hear somebody coming.
Welcome to What Chip Do.
Chip, where's our money, man?
Ladies, your money and your Puma fur coats are in the camper outside.
Chip, I know you didn't get them Pumas. You said you
did.
couldn't get Pumas.
I lied.
So you guys are in cahoots together?
You got us 4 Pumas.
4 Pumas?
When'd you start saying cahoots, Kenny G?
I'm old.
Chip! This is ridiculous.
We're breaking up, Misty.
Wait.
How many Pumas did you get us?
There's 2 apiece.
That's fine. You go with that? Sure.
Enjoy eternity on the toilets. Game over.
Had the weirdest dream, Kenny G.
Kenny G, it's cold in here. That one doubles are hard. Kenny G, I think a good coat of sunshine yellow would really do this place right. Kenny G, that apron makes you look like Leatherface.
I think I hear somebody coming.
Enjoy eternity on the toilets.
Oh my god.
Oh, now you gotta say it again, Misty.
Wait.
Misty B.
Wait. Sorry.
Holy crap, Kenny G! Finally got my digits. Holy crap, Kenny G! I'm all ears, bro.
You're pretty good with that.
Welcome to Sleeping with Breadstick.
Oh, that's funny.
that.
Fucking Dutch under my head. Oh my god.
It smells so bad. You just wafted it.
That's a fucking organ. Why are we in bed again?
This has got to make the blooper reel. This has got to be on the next blooper.
Alright. Alright, so